students, वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. Hope so you all are fine. हाँ जी बेटा जी, as you know that our chapter number 14 natural resources is going on. Last time we did this chapter up to the page number 189. Now you have to open your science book page number 190. Today, first of all, I am going to discuss this one activity. Last time I sent this one activity to you. Hope so you all watched that activity. First of all, we will discuss this one activity thoroughly. Then we will start next topic of this one chapter. Now beta, see from here. Activity number 14.1. What is the procedure of this one activity? Measure the temperature of the following. What is the aim? We have to measure the temperature of the following. First of all, we need a beaker that we will fill with water. Okay. Second, we need a beaker. We will fill that beaker with soil, or we can take sand. Okay. Anyone from both. And third, a closed bottle containing a thermometer. Third, we will take one bottle and containing a thermometer in that. Keep them in bright sunlight for 3 hours. After that, we will keep these three things in sunlight for 3 hours. 3 घंटे वास्ते आपां इनू सूरज की रोशनी विच तिन्नां चीज़ां नू रखांगे. Now measure the temperature of all 3 vessels. After that, we will measure the temperature of all 3 vessels. Also take the temperature reading in shade at the same time, and after that we will take the reading of these 3 things in shade. Means ਛਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ reading ਲਵਾਂਗੇ. Now here are the 4 questions. Okay, we will discuss the answer of 4 questions. Now you may see I have written here. I will send you photo of these questions. You have to write these questions in your science notebook. Okay. First of all, what is the first question? Is the temperature reading more in activity first or in second activity? In second activity, they said sand will show more temperature. Okay, in second case, sand will show more temperature in sunlight. Means it proves that with the help of sun heat, okay, sand temperature will increases. Okay, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਰੇਤ ਦਾ ਟੈਂਪਰੇਚਰ ਉਹ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਤਪਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ as compared to water, as compared to closed bottle, as compared to air. We can say that in closed bottle there is only air. Okay. Now second question, based on the above finding, which would become hot faster, the land or the sea? Now this one is very easy. Land would become hotter faster. We know that on land soil is there, sand is there. That's why land would become hotter faster. ये ज़्यादा गर्म होएगा as compared to sea, because in sea there is a water. Now third question, is the thermometer reading of the temperature of air in shade the same as the temperature of sand or water? What you think is the reason for this, and why does the temperature have to be measured in the shade? No, due to the difference in their specific heats, in shade the temperature will be maintained, but in the sunlight the temperature will be increased with heat of sun. They said in the shade, means छां वाली जगह ते the temperature reading will remain same in all the cases, in case of sand, in case of water, in case of air. But in case of sunlight, okay, sun heat, in case of sunlight, when we will keep all these things in sunlight, under sunlight, then temperature readings will increase, will change. Okay, that's why we measured in the shade. Okay. Now next question and the last question of this one activity, that is the temperature of air in the closed glass vessel bottle the same as the temperature taken in open air? Means they said, what is the question कि ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤਾਪਮਾਨ ਹੈ 에ਅਰ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦ ਬੋਤਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਸੇਮ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤਾਪਮਾਨ ਓਪਨ 에ਅਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਟਮੋਸਫੇਅਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਏਗਾ. What do you think is the reason for this? We have to find the reason about it. And second, do we ever come across this phenomena in daily life? Okay, we have to give one example of our daily life also. No, the atmospheric temperature will be more in closed bottle. they said atmospheric temperature ਜਿਹੜਾ temperature air ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ atmospheric temperature ਉਹ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ as compared to closed bottle ਦੇ temperature ਨਾਲੋਂ this is because the air is trapped inside the bottle and there is no exchange of gases so the temperature will be more okay ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ sorry in the closed bottle temperature is more as compared to atmospheric air because there is no any gaseous exchange in closed bottle okay and temperature will be more in the closed bottle. Now what is the example of this during summer season nowadays okay the air inside a small room gets warmer okay easily due to which we start feeling suffocated sometime ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਰੂਮ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਏਅਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਡੋਰ ਬੰਦ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਗਰਮ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਐਜ਼ ਕੰਪੇਅਰ ਟੂ ਬਾਹਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਉਹ ਫਿਰ ਸਫੋਕੇਟਡ ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਫੋਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਆ ਉਸ ਰੂਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ okay because ਕਿ ਉਹ ਹਵਾ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ gases ਦਾ exchange ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ that's why temperature will be more in the closed room in the closed bottle as compared to atmospheric temperature. Now next topic of this one chapter that is the movement of air that we call it winds okay now we will talk about the movement means ਚੱਲਣਾ air ਦਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ that means winds okay ਹਵਾਵਾਂ we have all felt the relief brought by cool evening breezes after a hot day okay after a hot day ਜਦੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਗਰਮੀ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦਿਨ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬ੍ਰਿਜਸ ਮੀਨਸ ਏਅਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹਵਾ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਹੈ ਠੰਡੀ ਉਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਰਿਲੀਫ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਆ ਓਕੇ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਉਹ ਐਂਡ ਸਮ ਟਾਈਮ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਲੱਕੀ ਇਨਫ ਟੂ ਗੈਟ ਰੇਨ ਆਫਟਰ ਸਮ ਡੇਜ਼ ਆਫ ਰੀਅਲੀ ਹੌਟ ਵੈਦਰ ਐਂਡ ਆਫਟਰ ਹੌਟ ਵੈਦਰ ਇਫ ਦੇਅਰ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਰੇਨ then it will also give us to relief ਉਹ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਰਿਲੀਫ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਆ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਰੇਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਬੜੇ ਹੌਟ ਵੈਦਰ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ okay what causes the movement of air and what decide whether this movement will be in the form of gentle breeze a strong wind or a terrible storm okay they said what are the causes ਕੀ ਕਾਰਨ ਆ ਹਵਾ ਦੇ ਚੱਲਣ ਫਿਰਨ ਦੇ ਐਂਡ what decide whether the movement will be ਤੇ ਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਡਿਸਾਈਡ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹਵਾ ਦੀ ਮੂਵਮੈਂਟ ਆ ਉਹ ਜੈਂਟਲ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਥੋੜ੍ਹੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਤੇਜ਼ ਹਵਾ ਚੱਲੇਗੀ ਜਾਂ ਉਹ ਤੂਫਾਨ ਦਾ ਰੂਪ ਲੈ ਲੇਗੀ okay what brings us the welcome rain and rain ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਕੌਣ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ as we discussed about it in 6th class okay about the water cycle in case of water cycle first of all with the help of sun heat water bodies will become hot okay ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਗਰਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਵਾਟਰ ਬੋਡੀਜ਼ ਨਦੀਆਂ ਰਿਵਰਸ okay lakes then that water will change into the vapors form and goes into the atmosphere okay ਉਹ ਪਾਣੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਵੇਪਰਸ ਦੀ ਫਾਰਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਾਫ ਦੀ ਫਾਰਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਟਮੋਸਫੀਅਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ then when that atmosphere clouds become heavy ਜਦੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੈਵੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ then again they come on earth in the form of rain in the form of precipitation ਫਿਰ ਉਹ rain ਦੀ form ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੀਚੇ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਹੈ drops ਦੀ form ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ okay now this is the answer of this one question now next we will discuss in next video hope so you all are understood about it okay next we will discuss in next video.